What up, you guys? Your boy's back at it with day 2, man. Welcome to Southern Smoke YouTube, you guys. So today I got my lemon pepper wings that I'm gonna make. I already got my wings cleaned up. So I'm gonna be using black peppercorn. I'm going to get them extra black pepper because we making, you know, lemon pepper, and you want that lemon taste to really come out. Okay, now we're gonna hit it with a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and then I got some lemon pepper. I'm gonna hit it with some of that because we want it to be super lemon. We're gonna hit it again when it come out. You know what? I think we need a little more black pepper. And we're gonna throw in a little real lemon juice. I don't have real lemons, but I got lemon juice because I like to put that in my water all the time, you guys. All right, let's get these nice and mixed up. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all think of that. They already smelling amazing. They ain't came out to grease it. Oh, went in. Stay tuned for this, y'all. All right, you guys, so the grease is nice and ready. We'll go ahead and drop our lemon pepper wings in here. Alright, our lemon pepper wings are now done. Look at that nice crisp on them. Ooh, them things look amazing already. We ain't even hit them with our dressing. Alright, so this is what we're going to go ahead and do. We'll go ahead and hit them with a little of that lemon juice all around in there. And we're going to go ahead and put these on the plate. Once we put them on the plate though, y'all gonna see what we do. Well, what I do. I'm saying we. Alright, so we're going to hit these with some black peppercorn because it is lemon pepper wings. And then we're going to come across with some lemon pepper. Now just look at it. Doesn't it really looks amazing? That looks amazing. Just hit it with a dab. Ooh, man. I want to eat it through the camera right now when I'm looking at it, so I can only imagine how y'all over there thinking right now. Hey, I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in this week with your boy making all his wing specials. Hey, and I'll be having more weeks like this coming soon at you. Hey, give me some requests of some things y'all like to see that I try to do for like a couple days. I might can't do it for the whole week. I'll depend on how my work schedule is. But I'd like to thank y'all for tuning into this video. Peace out.